Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Closely. Ever wanted to turn a long-haul flight into a mini-adventure with stops in new cities along the way? Scheduling stopovers can make those long trips way more exciting, especially on routes to places like Oceania. Adding a stopover lets you stretch your legs, explore new cultures, and sometimes even save a bit on flight costs. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to book these multi-stop trips and make the most of every stop. 1. Why stopovers are awesome. Stopovers give you a chance to break up a long journey and explore new places. Imagine stopping in Iceland on your way to North America, or spending a day in Singapore, Qatar, or Dubai on your way to Oceania. Many airlines and even certain countries encourage this with free or low-cost stopover programs, adding value to your ticket without adding much to the price. 2. Check the fare rules. First things first, you'll need to check the fare rules for your flight. These rules determine where you can stop, how long you can stay, and any extra costs. The best way to do this is by using tools like the ITA Matrix or Google Flights. Just search your route, select a flight, and look for rules in the matrix. It'll outline all the details on stopover restrictions and transfer limits. For example, many cheap tickets restrict true stopovers, staying longer than 24 hours. But as long as you keep your stay under 24 hours, you're usually good to go. 3. Find ideal stops using Google Flights or ITA Matrix. Once you've confirmed that your fare allows for stopovers or transfers, it's time to choose your stops. Here are a few stopover possibilities, depending on your route. Europe to North America. Cities like London, Philadelphia, and Chicago often make great layover spots. Dublin to San Jose, California. This could include fun layovers in places like Dallas, San Diego, or Los Angeles. Use Google Flights or the ITA Matrix to play around with these stops. You can experiment with different cities and see if there are any longer layovers that give you enough time to explore. 4. Choose flights with the best layover times. Now, it's all about timing. Aim for layovers of 20-24 hours to make the most of your stop. For example, if you arrive in Philadelphia at 4 p.m., book a connecting flight the following afternoon for almost a full day to explore the city. Google Flights is handy here. You can enter multiple cities in the multi-stop search to see which routes allow the longest layovers. 5. Book and enjoy the stopover adventure. Once you've lined up the perfect layover schedule, booking is usually straightforward. If you're using Google Flights, follow the booking link to finalize it with the airline. For complex, multi-stop trips with airlines like Delta or KLM, you might need to book through the ITA Matrix. Things to keep in mind. Multi-stop trips come with a few risks. If your flight has delays, the airline only guarantees that you'll reach your final destination on time, so layovers might be cut short. There's also the slight chance that an airline could adjust your layover time in the case of a schedule change. Final thoughts. Why take a direct flight when you can explore multiple cities in one trip? Stopovers are an amazing way to add adventure without major detours. Give it a try on your next big trip. You might just discover a new favorite city along the way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel advice.